today I will be sharing recipe of a very simple face serum which you can make at home. Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this wonderful episode which is on demand because we have received several queries and several questions from so many people that Acharya ji, when you don't use makeup, how your skin glows all the time. Well, I have already shared a complete routine, my skincare routine. I'll be sharing the link of that as well at description box, but today I will be sharing recipe of a very simple face serum which you can make at home. You know, these modern names, serum and this and that, that's all fine, but these all are those traditional things which we Indians had been using since long, and there are some amazing ingredients in this serum. Vitamin C, vitamin E, pure aloe vera from your own kitchen garden, and then it has kesar, it has almond oil, it has glycerine, lots and lots of ingredients are there. So quickly let's have a look on how to make it. Here we have taken aloe vera. Generally people, you can take aloe vera gel also, but I am taking pure aloe vera because I have it in my kitchen. And then I have taken lemon, and these are two vitamin E capsules, which is absolutely optional. If you don't want to use vitamin E capsules, it's absolutely optional. I will be telling you a substitute for that as well. So let's cut the aloe vera and take out the pulp from this aloe vera. And how do we make the aloe vera gel? We take out the pulp and then just put it in the mixer grinder, and you will get a wonderful gel. Still, just to avoid any kind of lump in it, you can put it in the chalni and then use it. Here we have the complete organic homemade aloe vera gel. Have a look at this. Okay, so now this is 1 spoon of glycerine that I'm putting in it, and then this is lemon. Let's cut it and squeeze this entire lemon. So we have added the lemon juice in it. This is gulab jal, rose water. 2 spoons of rose water we are going to use. 2 spoons of rose water is here. Now we will be adding vitamin E. So just cut this vitamin E capsule. As I said, it is completely optional. You can skip it, and instead of this you can use few drops of almond oil. But there are many people who feel that putting oil on their face, because their skin is so oily, that they avoid putting any kind of oil, though the quantity of almond oil is so less that it's not going to affect your skin in a bad way. But still, instead of almond oil, you can use vitamin E capsules, and I will be using both in this. Now let's add a little bit of almond oil to it. We are going to put the most important ingredient that's going to give you glow, as well as that's going to make your skin bright. Just a little bit of kesar. This is pure kesar that I'm adding, and once you'll add it and you'll keep it overnight, next morning it will turn a little brownish. So mix it well, but don't take out kesar from this mixture. Otherwise, when you mix it well, there is no lump at all. Now you save it in a container and see, I'll just show you how it looks. You will see the shine, but there is no stickiness, no oiliness. Look at this. That serum look is here. So isn't it a very, very simple way to make it at home? Treasure hidden in your own kitchen, but the only thing is we don't know about it, and we don't rely on our own natural resources. Rather, we'll rely on so many such things which we don't even know what we are buying from the market. So make sure that you start living a healthy, natural and organic life. And to watch all these videos in Hindi, subscribe at Bharat Yoga YouTube channel. To continue watching it in English, stay here at Bharat Yoga English, and share this video with all loved ones. Despite of their age and their gender, everyone has the right to have beautiful glowing skin. And make sure that you look at the videos mentioned in the description box. My whole day routine to have a beautiful glowing skin, my yogic routine which I follow, which you should also follow every day to have beautiful skin. Stay healthy, stay happy. Blessings for all of you. Hari Om.